Welcome back to my channel, beauties, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alicia. Today's video, I have another Shop Miss A haul. So if you did not get to see my last one, definitely check that out. But yeah, for those of you who do not know, Shop Miss A is a website that has affordable beauty products. So that's skincare, makeup, accessories, lashes, anything pretty much beauty related, they have it, and all of it is under $3. So most things are $1 US, but they do have some things that are like $2. Pretty much as far as I was able to see, nothing is over $3. And they have some really good stuff. So of course, like I said, go and check out my other haul. This time I did more damage. So we are just gonna jump right into this. If you want to see what I got, then of course keep watching. They wrap their packages so well. I absolutely love that, especially because it's coming all the way from the US to Canada. So this is so important. So excited, I'm so excited. All right, my last haul, the foundations that I purchased were not the right shade. So I had to get some more, of course. And it's looking promising. This is the Aoa Studio foundation. I bought it in cappuccino. I decided it's better if it's darker than me, we can work with that. So this one is in cappuccino. And I guess for fun, we should do a little swatchy swatch. So this is, it's like a dropper. So that is it right there. So I am happy. I am happy. So yeah, now I can do a full face of makeup like I plan to do. The next product I got is from Aoa Studio as well. This one is Aoa Studios Bb Cream. So I saw this BB cream. It says gives the face a luminous glow to eliminate dull skin for a brighter appearance. So the color that I got is rich, and honestly it looks just like cappuccino. Actually, it's a little bit lighter. Ooh, okay, this one looks like it's the exact same color as myself right now. You can't even see it. I went and blended it in. But you have to be careful when you go on this website because everything is $1. So you just want to just like put everything inside your cart. So I also picked up this lash applicator because I have like one tweezers and I can't seem to find any more. So this is only $1. I picked it up. It helps you to apply the lashes easily, grip them properly. So, and it's cute. It's pink. It says Aoa Studio. So yeah, let's see what else I can show y'all. What the hell? I did not buy so much mascara. The freak. I have no idea why I have 3 mascaras, 3 of the exact same mascara in this bag. Like, that must have been a mistake. I'm so annoyed with myself. But anyways, this is the LA Colors Lash Building Mascara. And I'm sure they were $1. And then I picked up this Aoa Studio again. This one is a lip pop. It's a lip gloss. This one is called Heartthrob. So it's just a little doe foot applicator like that. And then we are going to swatchy swatchy. I mean, I don't know how that's going to work, but we'll make it work. This one is the Aoa Studio Pro Wear Foundation. And if you watch my last video, you know this is the one that I got in, the color was so light. So I got amber now, and amber still looks light. But that's okay because we're going to mix it with the other, with cappuccino. This foundation is a part of the Pawpaw collection, and what that means is part of the proceeds protect animals against abuse. So a lot of their items are actually charity items, and so they all go towards protecting animals, and that's a beautiful cause, especially for just being so affordable. So I'm not even upset if it doesn't match. It's a good cause anyway. So that's amber, and amber is definitely I was gonna say that it will match me in the winter, but I don't even know. What the hell? Oh! Okay, so I'm actually really excited about this. This is a glitter adhesive, and this one is a charity edition as well. So it's light and creamy, no sparkle left behind. So it's an eye primer. So what it is it's an eye primer. So if you're gonna apply glitter or anything like that, it's going to stick to your eyes and not get all over your lids. And this is very important if you have hooded lids like I do. So I'm excited to try it and just see how it works. It says, has a lightweight, creamy formula that holds on to glitter with minimal fallout, great with loose or pressed glitter eyeshadows, and it dries clear. It is non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, and only $1.88. So about this. So another thing that I purchased that I'm excited about are these soap sheets. So it's called a soap sheet, and what it is just a little, let me just open it. How cute is this? This is like so cute. So I bought this for my son actually. So my 6-year-old son, so he's going to grade 1. And what it is, you know, during COVID time, they're little sheets of soap. Like, look how thin they are. So he can put it in his pocket, in his bag, and actually wash his hands properly. But then it's just super cute. I like little cute quirky stuff like this. So this is cute. And I also got one to put in my bag just for when we're on the road. It's always important. Hand sanitizer is good, but if you can wash your hands with soap, it's always better. And then these are just so cute. It's so slim. It can go in his pocket easily, in his backpack easily. I bought one for my daughter as well. And then I got this one for my purse. So then I saw they had these mattifying blotting papers. So of course I picked this up because my T-zone is a crazy mess. So these are $1. I had to pick them up. Easy, oil control, and pocket friendly. Not sure how much. It has 50 sheets in here and they're unscented. So yeah, this is perfect to bring along with me as well. I got a concealer, and this concealer is medium to full coverage. It's the charity edition, and I purchased it in soft tan, which looks like it's going to be a good highlighting concealer for me. I'm so excited to like do a full face using all these items. Like, I really hope it works out how I'm picturing it in my head. I ended up getting this mirror because it's perfect for doing my tutorials. I get to see a lot closer. This was only, I think, I don't even remember. Oh, this is also charity edition, so this was $155, and it's pink. It's so cute. They do have black as well, but of course I had to get the pink. And yeah, I'm not trying to blind you guys, but that's what it looks like. And it's a good size. It's not too small. So, and it has the little Aoa Studio on it. So this is cute. I'm so excited for that. Then I picked up these little no crease hair clips. Yeah, these are perfect for when you're just doing your hair, your makeup. And, you know, especially for when I'm doing my tutorials. They don't crease. They're only $1 for 3 of them. They come in different colors, but of course I got the pink. And then I said they have lashes, so I picked up 2 styles just to try them out. Ooh, okay. So this one is another one from the charity edition. They're faux mink lashes, and these ones are called Harper. They're a little bit full, and I don't really like full lashes on myself, but I'm still gonna try them out. They look good other than being too full for me personally, but they look really nice. So those are those. And then I picked up these ones, Chloe. And this is also from the Aoa Studio. This one is called Chloe. Super cute. They just launched this rose gold blender holder. So to hold the sponge, you know, keep it from getting bacteria, I got this. It's rose gold, super cute. And then you just put the blender in there, you know, while you're doing your face. Instead of putting it on the table, I usually put it on tissue paper, but this is going to help a lot better and keeps it from getting all the bacteria and other stuff on it. I'm always traveling. I'm always on the go. So this is from the charity edition as well. I picked up this travel case for the blender. So I saw this and I thought it was cute. Plus it's the charity edition, so I picked this up. And you just put it in there. It's silicone. And then, you know, it has the holes so it can breathe and won't get mildew or anything. But this is perfect for travel, or if you do your makeup on the go, you definitely need to have one of these in your purse. Last but not least, I got this Lumi Radiant Blush. It's like one of those baked blushes. That's what it looks like. That is all I got in this haul, but I am actually really excited. Next video should be me doing a full face with some of these products. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.